Hi, welcome to the smart RFID based billing terminal. We are looking at a billing terminal here which is with a built-in printer, and optionally it can print the ticket on a 3-inch ticket printer with the auto cutter. And today we are going to test the built-in printer, and it is having a keyboard. And we are also going to show is that we have multiple counters. So this is counter 1 at the shop, this is counter 2 at the shop. So this thing is probably selling meat and this is probably selling chicken. So you can have multiple counters and multiple scales. There is no piece of networking between any of these devices. Okay, so what we are trying to demonstrate here is that that when a customer comes to a shop, he can buy from multiple counters, and it takes a lot of time for the billing. So what we need is a system that, all right, we go to the system and buy the stuff from counter 1, buy the stuff from counter 2, and we can check out the bill very fast. Okay, so we're going to stick to this particular thing. Okay, we start by going at this particular counter, and I say I'm going to buy some chicken or something. So I say 1 PLU. It says broiler chicken, 125 rupees. I keep the weight on top of it, and I say add. So it shows add. I want to buy a broiler chicken without liver, and so it is going to be saying, I'm going to be saying, okay, so we add another third item, say a 9 PLU or maybe 6 PLU, which is liver and gizzard. I add another, say, 2 kgs and 4 kgs. Okay, so I've added gizzard, 4 kgs, and I do an add. So now what we go about is basically, I need a card. So when I go about this thing, I need to say I need to store this into a card. So I simply place the card here and do a print. So you can see when I press the print button, we can optionally connect a printer. Now this could be a built-in printer, or it could be an external printer. It shows that I have bought from this particular counter, these three items. These three items, the 2 kg, 2 kg and 4 kg, and I'm now going to go to the counter 2. So I'm carrying this card with me. This card is always with me when I go into the shop, and if I don't have a card, I'm given the card by the shopkeeper. And so I go onto the counter number 2. I said I want broiler leg piece. So broiler leg piece is, I add another 2 kgs, add. Okay, and I want from counter 2, I want from some desi chicken also. Okay, and I add. Okay, so I just want 2 items from this, and I say print. It says please place card. So if I don't place a card, it is still going to wait for it. So as soon as I keep the card, it is going to print and copy all this thing. Now I go back to the billing machine. And I just simply place the card here, and I press a key called F5. As soon as I press the key F5, you can see it loads all the items from the this thing. Okay, and it says 1442. It shows the total, and I enter escape. I enter 1500 rupees. F10, I enter 1500. Once you press the bill, it will basically give a bill print, and it will show the printout of all the items. And you get the bill of all the items, and you get the items here. So it is very easy to get the bills and get the printout from the system, and without needing to enter these items. The billing terminal, it is very easy to bill the items also. You can add new items without this system also. For example, I want to enter grape.